Thank you.
Welcome back.
All right, is everyone all settled? Okay, no one was followed by these stormtroopers, right? Okay, just in case to come in, I want you to get separated for your family, so make sure you remain in the section of your building. I mean, yeah. Don't go wandering about, not even over here. And please don't lean, touch, or do anything with these chambers, or you might get a shock in your life. Welcome. To you, this probably looks like a lot of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of it is new junk. Okay, that joke did not land. All right. I know that this is a lot, but for us, it's everything. The gatherers, you may call me Kimberly. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So for those stormtroopers that see only worthless clutter, those who know, see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past just might ensure our future. Right? So you've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, correct? Well, we hear there's another new Jedi. You know her name. Go ahead, tell me. What's her name? Rey. That's what she is leading, is this spark of hope you've all been waiting for. And that is why you're here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a saber is an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of the builder, the force flowing between them. And today, you get to feel that connection. Okay, that's enough of all that. Let's get started. We begin with perhaps one of the most important components of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue, wielded by the Great Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, is apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And now we hear Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, sometimes called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are all stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone indulge me for a moment. Close your eyes. Go ahead, close your eyes and picture all the kyber crystals I've described. Which one calls to you? Everyone, open your eyes and take your crystal. And once you've selected your kyber crystal, please place it on the crystal holder in front of you. Excellent, well done. It is now time for you to join your kyber crystal with your saber design. It's time for you to build your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. The hilt is your center of control. The hilt is also the part that in order of assembly. It's not what is on those boxes. You've got the chassis, then you go all the way over to section 5 for the activation plates, back over to section 1 and 2 for the grips, emitter, and pommel caps. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. And just as you selected your kyber crystal, you will select each part of your saber to create one that is uniquely yours. All right, you all stop what you're doing. Look in front of you. These are your gatherers. Please allow them to guide you on your journey. And with that, everyone, let's build.
Rising Moon friend, my name is Wayne. I'm going to help you with your build tonight. So we're going to start with the hardest part first. You want to hold your chassis so the vents are up. This opening here is your crystal chamber. The bottom and the top plates both have a dimple in the center. The top plate's a spring. So you're going to take your crystal, either point. What I do, if you haven't done this before, I put a finger behind and I kind of pinch it in the chamber. Then you're just going to put either point into that top plate, push up and slide the bottom into place. If everything goes right, you should have a golden crystal. Perfect. You want to hold it up like this and make sure it's properly aligned. They are all right. On the side of the chamber, you've got this red and blue box. So you're now going to pick one set of activation plates. And inside those plates, I know it's kind of hard to see, but that's that red and blue, the same ones. So these, I'm holding mine the same way you are. It's just going to go and cover up that crystal and your matching colors. So the switch will be on your left and the non-switch will be on your right. If you want to slide that activation switch up, you have good spark. I've got good spark. So let's do the grips. Any two of the four. Don't worry about the numbers at the top. Whatever two you like. Okay? The only requirement is one side has this thicker band of metal. That's the threaded side. So it's going to go towards the center. It'll allow it to put on the top or the bottom. When you go to tighten, push into the middle as you turn. You guys are going to catch and it's going to stop really quick. That's all we need. Okay? Now you set the emitter, either one of those will go on the top. It just spins right on, no need to put any pressure on it. Classic baby. And then the pommel cap will go on the same way, just on the bottom. If I could do a final safety check. Thank you.
Now remember everyone, when you leave this room, and if you become a stormtrooper, you should not have a lightsaber, okay? You have a piece of scrap metal. What do we have, everyone? Good. Stormtroopers won't take me away. I don't want to. Hey, everyone, let's take a moment. Settle, appreciate the work you've done. All continue your notes and nothing traumatic or unexpected happened, but this next part is dangerous. So please leave your notes where they are and move away from the table as far as you can. Everyone back up. The gatherers need to stabilize the crystals for activation by entering them into these chambers. Very dangerous, only to be done by those trained for years. And even with all this training, sometimes things happen, but we're not going to call those things mistakes or accidents or explosions. We are going to call them oopsies. And anybody can call
them. Well done. Chosen approach with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, indeed it is time to take that first step. Everyone, we have reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, I'll have you all take a step forward. Place your hand on your hilt, and on my signal, without pulling, simply slide the switch forward and we will activate as one. Everyone ready? Step forward, hand on your hilt, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And just like them, you too may change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Everyone please, activate and lower your saber hand.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power must not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your new lightsaber, we offer you these saber sheaths as your part. Our time together is coming to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It is your time to go out and make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the saber you created. Who knows, perhaps next time we can maybe tell your story. Once more, builders, raise your sabers and activate. Till the spire.
Till the spire!
Well done, my friends. Adventure awaits you.
Picture.